now apply the tint to stationary windows. As you can see, the pattern's already been cut. The inside window has been cleaned. Sean now is removing the plastic liner. As he peels it, he keeps his water on a fine mist and sprays the laminated surface. He cleans his hands. You want to be very careful when applying this film on the inside of a vehicle, making sure that it touches nothing but the glass. Cars like this can be tricky, so that's even more reason why you have to take your time. You slide the tint in slowly, making sure that it touches nothing but the glass surface. As you can see, he's sliding it into place so that there are no peepholes, meaning that there are no visible spots where the tint is not touching the glass, so that the window appears to be completely tinted. After getting it in place, he then slides the card from right to left to make sure that the tint is stationary. Then he goes up and down, removing all excess water. As you can see, the whole surface is completely covered. There is no water or fingers under the film. And that concludes the portion on installing tint to a stationary glass.